Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. You want to have the rain gear handy throughout the afternoon hours, but the showers should be pretty spotty in nature. There'll be plenty of dry hours mixed in, even a little bit of sunshine from time to time. Our high temperature will top off at 65 degrees, but again, that shower threat will remain with us throughout the afternoon. They're just not as numerous as they were this morning. As you see here on TrueCast, they're just rotating through with an area of low pressure to our north. Now, tomorrow, it's basically a carbon copy of today with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, lots of clouds around, and some scattered showers off and on, mainly throughout the afternoon and into the early evening hours on Thursday. I think it's Friday. Potentially, that's the wettest day in our extended forecast with numerous showers and storms. A few showers linger into Saturday morning, but Sunday's the better day of the weekend as sunshine returns. Then a beautiful stretch of weather next week with lots of sunshine and temperatures that'll be back up to near 80 degrees, if not above 80 by midweek.